Hey guys, it's me, Kayla Patrice. If you're new to my channel, well, now you know who I am. And if you're returning, then hey,
how are you?
So today I did this holiday cranberry halo eye for you guys. I posted it on my Instagram. This is the picture right here. And in my opinion, I think it got a significant amount of likes. Like, I'm not IG famous or anything, so the picture got like 66 likes, but that was enough for me to recreate this look. So that's what I'm doing. So I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, and let's get on with the video. All right, y'all, so per usual, I've already done my brows. I do have a brow routine that I'll put in the cards up above somewhere, but all products that I use for my brows will be listed below. So I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C7 and my MAC 252 brush to prime my eyes. Okay, y'all, so I switched to the Morphe. I think this is... Okay, so yeah, this is the Morphe G4. I like this brush a lot better. I don't know, like, the new 252s are like, I don't know, kind of weird. Like, I feel like it took off a lot, kind of the product. I don't know. Let me see if I can see a difference. And then to prime underneath my eye, I'm going to use my MAC NC 45 Pro Longwear Concealer. Alright, y'all, so the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette. So the first color I'm going to start with is this brown right here. And I'm going to take it first on a Coastal Scents 250 brush. If you don't have this brush, the equivalent to it is like a MAC 217S brush. So I'm just going to take this brown on the brush and I'm going to apply it by patting it first where I want it to go. Okay, so I know we're looking a little crazy, but trust the process, okay? Trust the process. So the next color I'm gonna use is this pink one here at the bottom. And I'm going to use that on a MAC 221 brush. And with the lightest pressure, I'm just going to blend out the edge of the brown. Then on another MAC 221 brush, I'm gonna go back in with that brown shade. And then on the other 221 that I used with the pink, I'm gonna go back in with the pink. And then I'm just going to go back in with a little more of the brown. Okay, so this is going to be a halo eye. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. And then I'm going to use another Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal concealer in the shade C1. Okay, so this is what it should look like. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera and then I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I finished cutting the other crease. So now I'm gonna go back in with that brown and my MAC 221 brush, and I'm really gonna load the brush up. And then going back in with the pink and another MAC 221 brush, and I'm just going to slightly overlap the brown. And then I'm just going to go back in with the brown to blend that out. And then going in with this shade here on a MAC 239 brush, and it's gonna go right in the center. So on a clean MAC 239 brush, I'm gonna go back in with the brown, and I'm going to tap that underneath the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go back in with the pink on a MAC 221 brush just to blend the brown out. Alright, so for my inner waterline, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Masochist. And to apply that, I'm just going to use this e.l.f. concealer brush. This is like the spot concealer brush, I think. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and finished doing my waterline, and while I was at it, I went ahead and applied my lashes. I'm going to do something a little different today, and I'm going to do my foundation on camera because I am going to be trying out a new foundation, so why not try it out here with you guys. So the foundation I'm going to be using is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. And to prime, I'm gonna use my MAC Prep and Prime Skin Visage with my MAC Hyper Real Foundation in Gold FX. So if any of y'all are wondering, I am in the shade F13. It might be a little light, I think, but it's okay because I'm gonna go in and contour and stuff like that. And to blend it out, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. Okay, so off the bat, I'm pretty sure this is a matte foundation. Yeah, this foundation is matte. If you don't like matte foundations, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this because it is really matte. Next time I use it, I'm gonna try to apply it with a beauty sponge. So for my highlight, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. So to blend out my concealer, I'm going to take my Real Techniques setting brush. And then I'm just going to go back in with my foundation brush to blend out the edges. So to contour, I'm going to use another Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C15 and blend it out with my Real Techniques contour brush. Okay, so to set my under eye concealer, I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl loose powder in the shade Translucent Medium with my NYX number 26 brush. Just to kind of set the face and kind of add a little bit more color, because like I said, the foundation is a little too light for me. I'm going to use my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Tan. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to use my MAC Oh Darling highlighter and my Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Crown of My Canopy. But first I'm going to set my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And I'm going to go in with my Oh Darling first with my Morphe R36. I think that's what it is, the R36. The number kind of rubbed off, so I don't really know, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And then I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild one. So now that I have my highlighter on, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some MAC in Extreme Dimension on my lower lashes. And for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use MAC Chestnut Lip Liner with Kylie's Malibu and Morphe Cosmetics Flower Crown Lip Gloss. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. So this is like perfect holiday makeup. I think I'm gonna title this video like Cranberry Holiday Eye or Holiday Cranberry Eye, something of that nature. But I think this is like a perfect holiday look if you don't want to do like the whole smoky with a red lip or like a red lip period. But this is like perfect. So I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you subscribe, make sure you press the bell notification so you can see when I upload new content. And I'll see y'all in my next video.